you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kali.alexandria and I'm so excited to have you guys in today's video with me today. I'm so excited because I'm going to be filming a Sunday, a productive, get ready for the work week routine basically. So this week is actually a little bit different because I'm actually taking Thursday and Friday off of work and I'm going on a trip, but that means we have to be really productive Monday through Wednesday. So I'm just going to take today to just be cozy because, well, one, it is currently snowing outside and the snow just looks so pretty and it makes me just want to stay in my warm house and just have a nice, like, really cozy routine. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I'm just going to take you guys with me. So we got to clean a little bit. I want to do a lot of self-care, and I hope this kind of motivates you guys to do the same thing as well. So thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and watching. So I wanted to say that I do post every single Wednesday, so make sure you guys like and follow and subscribe and whatever else you do on the YouTube platform so you guys can see my face every single Wednesday. I make a lot of different, like, lifestyle videos, anything from what I eat in a day to influencer content to owning a marketing agency and everything like that. So I hope you guys will stick around. But without further ado, I'm going to stop rambling and let's just get right into the actual video. Okay, I'm just laughing because one, this situation looks obnoxious, but for good reason. So I don't know if you guys have seen, like, on TikTok and stuff, when people are vlogging, the freaking iPhone camera vlogs have been so good. So I'm switching it around and filming on my iPhone in, like, better settings. So, like, when I move, the camera is, like, really still, and I don't have that option on my camera, or I just can't figure it out. So we're filming on the iPhone, and yeah, we're gonna see how it goes, but that's why this, like, little setup is so obnoxious.
Days seem sometimes as if they'll never end. The sun takes its heels to taunt you, but after sunlit days, one thing stays the same: rises the moon. Days fade into a watercolor blur. Memories swim and haunt you, but look into the lake, shimmering like smoke, rises the moon. Oh, close your weary eyes. I promise you that soon the autumn comes to darken fading summer skies. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Days pull you down just like a sinking ship. Floating is getting harder, but tread the water, child, and know that meanwhile rises the moon. Days pull you up just like a daffodil, uprooted from its garden.
So I have definitely been on an acne journey, and it wasn't always like this. Like, I have made so many videos in the past and I've been super open about my journey and my experience with acne and hormonal acne and adult acne. So you guys can look at my before videos. I have done all types of videos, even going to get, like, microneedling and getting my acne scars taken care of. But it wasn't until, like, a year ago. So I'll kind of rewind here and tell you guys. So about a year ago, I went off of a birth control that I was on, and I had been on birth control for, like, more than 8 years, and I really didn't know how my body was before I was even on birth control because I had been on it for such a long time. So one day I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna stop birth control, and I stopped taking it, just stopped cold turkey. And I did make a video about how I felt like right after that, so I'll link it up here for you guys to check out. But I had never felt so good in my life. I felt like I was finally out of that like cloud, that fog I had been in, which is so crazy because birth control is just, I think it's just like so toxic, and like I understand why people use it obviously, but it's just I can go on and on for days about birth control. But I do want to say, like, right after that I had no breakouts, I had no flare-ups, because that was something I was really scared that would have happened to me, but I didn't, and I was fine. And it wasn't until like 9 months after going off of birth control did I have like a super like random or really bad acne flare-up, and I really think it was because of the COVID vaccine. And I do want to say, like, I'm so glad I got the vaccine, but I really think it kind of did mess up my hormones. I had a really bad flare-up, like just really random. I like lost my period for a while, and my hormones were just like so crazy. But beside that, I went to the dermatologist and I was like, hey, like, I need help. My wedding is literally later this year and I need to get my acne in control, if you will. So he prescribed me tretinoin. So I'm so excited to be using this. This is a retin-A, and retin-A's are just like, they're really intense. So if you start taking them, do not take a lot of it. Like, do your research, because my dermatologist didn't really tell me that much about this medication. But when I did research, I was really surprised, because I'm like, I'm glad I did my research, because this stuff is intense, but it's for good reason. So they say that you might purge for like the first 3 months, which sounds like a long time, yes, but this stuff is like gold apparently. So I'm super excited to be using this. I've only been using it for like the first month, and I definitely have like some breakouts, but I don't feel like it's like really bad purging by any means. So that's really nice. So I'm super excited to be on that. But with that, I've been like super dry, so I'm making sure I'm like moisturizing. So I'm doing that with Cetaphil. Sometimes I'll use vitamin C just to brighten things, but you don't want to use a lot of product when you're on tretinoin. But I'm curious, have you guys ever tried tretinoin for acne, and what was your experience? Let me know in the comments, because I hear such good things and good reviews about using tretinoin. So I'm very excited for that, and I've already noticed like the texture of my skin is so much better than it was before using it. So super excited about that, but I definitely want to be open with you guys and share. So if you guys have any questions or anything, please let me know. I'm like super like passionate about sharing my skincare and my acne journey, since I've literally struggled with it for so long. It feels like it just feels like ages. So happy to share any tips. I've literally tried everything under the sun, but if you guys have any recommendations that are more like natural based, please let me know. But yeah, that's the story. Mokubi?